We got water here, which I didn't think we had, going by the maps. So that'll be handy. Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods. And look, I'm in the woods. Isn't this nice? There's Trudy in our knapsack hammock, which was a pleasure to do. That was probably one of the easiest hammocks I've used so far. And coming really handy. Everything around here is a bit wet, but let me just give you a tour around. We'll have a bit of a look. My first time here. This is my permission woodland. There's an absolute ton of firewood. There's dead trees, loads of dead trees here. We just found a spot which was quite nice, as in everything's hip height, so it keeps stuff off the floor. Because I have hip and back problems, so technically I'm disabled because I have mobility issues, but I'm not going to have that stop me from doing what I enjoy. So we're out. So yeah, I wasn't kidding when I said there's loads of firewood here. So we found this down tree here, which is perfect for me at the moment because it has loads of flat bits. This is the kit I brought. That's the stick I found. It's a good stick. A little bit of sun, a little bit of fungus I found for tree. I brought my slingshot just to play around a little bit. I have the biodegradable clay pellets with me, so not steel. That's my camera kit, Bushcraft little hatchet, and then I bring that's my cook kit. Little stuff, but like I said, not a lot of stuff. Trudy's making a coffee. She's happy. And then she has her 511 day sack. I have my 511 72-hour bag. But like I said, I didn't bring too much stuff. Only the main compartment is only maps in the front bit and our first aid kit. That's a water bottle, and then I have another water bottle on the other side. So didn't want to make it too heavy because of my back and my legs. But plenty of stuff here. Found some more fungus, hoof fungus I'm assuming. Might be wrong, but it goes all the way up and it's on a silver birch tree. Alright, so here's my setup a little bit. Bushcraft, York knife, some fungus I found, my drink, and now what we're going to do is I'm going to boil some water. We're going to make some mashed potatoes, and I'm going to pull a page out of Liam's book of Primal Nomad. I'm going to have some of these sausages. So I'm going to have to boil the water first for the mash, cook the sausages in the pot, and then chuck them all into a pot, and then my missus, who's hopefully still awake, will eat lunch. Using a Field and Steel Wildway knife, cutting up some sausage. Gonna heat them up in the pot, waiting for the water to boil, and it's lunch. So the mash is ready. Sausage is heating up, and we're good to go soon. So mash on the bottom, sausages on top, and that's how it looks. So that's lunch. Trudy, how's your lunch?
Different. Sausage.
How's the mash?
Is it fake mash?
It's powdered. Trudy likes her food, but she likes her healthy food. So this is not nice for her. I'm not as healthy as Trudy. I like it. So the walking around stuff, like cutting fungus, cutting paracord and stuff. The Adam knife, neck knife, has done a great job with that, opening up the packages here and stuff. for the food prep, I use the Field and Steel Wildway knife. That one did fine too. So the only other knife I have with me and I want to test is the York Valkyrie knife. So I'll find some dead wood and do some chopping with that in a bit. But I want to eat my lunch first. There you go. Just give you an idea. That's how big it is. It's great knife. Nothing wrong with it. No chips, nothing. Chopped pretty quick. Again, also with the use of Woodland now, I can do better knife tests. So that'll be handy. Again, this is the York knife Valkyrie. All right, we're leaving this spot now, and as you can see, no mess was left. Everything was tucked away, and as it was, left no trace. Well, it's been a nice day out. Just going back to the car now. A little bit of a hike back, but nice sunny day. You got to see loads of stuff. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, minus the lunch.
Relaxing though, nice.
Yeah, so it's a good day out. Just want to take you guys out for the adventure with us. Hope you like it, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks, guys. Catch you next video. Bye. Say Joe. Joe.